Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study science for board exams. First, establish a clear study schedule, dedicating specific times to each science subject. Focus on grasping the fundamental concepts thoroughly before attempting to memorize facts. This foundational understanding will make complex topics much easier to recall. Also, honestly assess your strengths and weaknesses across physics, chemistry, and biology. Then prioritize extra study time for challenging areas to ensure balanced preparation. To truly master science, active learning is key. Regularly practice with past board exam questions to familiarize yourself with question patterns and time management. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex processes and improve retention. A powerful technique is to explain difficult concepts aloud to a friend or even to yourself. This process highlights gaps in your knowledge and reinforces what you already know. Consistent revision is crucial for long-term retention. Integrate short, frequent review sessions into your study plan to keep information fresh. Regularly taking full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions simulates the actual exam environment, helping you build stamina and manage pressure. After each mock test, thoroughly analyze your performance, understanding why you made errors, and then work to correct those specific weaknesses before the next practice session. On exam day, ensure you are well rested. 7 to 8 hours of sleep can significantly boost your cognitive function. During the exam, take a moment to breathe, read all instructions thoroughly, and manage your time wisely across sections. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay focused and hydrated. Finally, trust in your preparation and approach each question with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.